Hey guys, Aubrey Loots, Wella Top Artist. So excited to be here in Morocco for Wella's Destinations. And we are backstage. I'm prepping my models for my show tomorrow. And I wanted to share with you a quick in-salon tip for the client that sits in your chair after you've done that beautiful color and she goes, oh my God, I'm going out tonight. I should have booked an Updo. Instead of turning that service away, I do this all the time and it works. It's fail-proof. So here's a perfect example. This is my beautiful model for tomorrow. And this is a great example. She's got super straight hair. And instead of spending hours trying to set their hair, because that's the reason you would turn down the service in the first place, right? Who's got time to set all this hair? So what we do, we're going to brush it to one side. And if the hair is smooth and silky, we're going to put in a little bit of Wella Dry Me, like that. It's not working, but that's what I would use. Anyway, here's the trick. You brush everything to the side. Okay? You will never turn down an Updo request again. Make sure it's all to the side. This is a classic 40s inspired. And when a beautiful young lady, we can modernize it. Okay. So I'm going to roll her hair this way. So we start behind the ear and we twist the hair forward. Okay, so we're using your own hair as a cushion, and you'll see why. Turn your head this way, sweetheart. And you keep twisting all the way. And now we're going to bring this hair back. Okay? So you bring it back this way, bring it back this way, and you keep twisting. Bring it back again because she's got long hair. The idea is to get all this hair tucked in. And we're going to change our hand position, roll this down a bit. You see in the mirror? Change your body position, change your hand position. You keep your head nice and stiff for me. And really important, Maggie, we're going to take our bobby pins and we're going to zigzag them in, because the idea is to connect the hair in the roll to the hair on the head, right? Kind of screwing them in. You're going to go all the way through the spine. You look in the mirror for me. And we got our beautiful, and just to modernize it a little bit, we just open this up a little bit so it's a little loose, a little disheveled. Then we go in just to clean it up a little bit. So again, quick and easy in the salon. Instead of turning the service away, you can actually give your client something really fun. Finish it with a little Stay Essential, our working hairspray. Pull this out a little bit. Let's get my tail comb in here real quick. Thank you. There we go. pull out a little piece on the side just to add a little detail, like that. See the front? Voila. There she is. Do not turn the service away when they ask you for a last-minute updo. Cool. Turn, turn, turn. And then other way. Go this way. Go this way. Go this way. Definitely on silky hair, except to remember, get that dry texture in there using Dry Me. It really helps just to get the roll a little bit tighter. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.